Welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in Kilimani, and Kilimani is one of the poshest areas in Nairobi, and other related areas include Kileleshwa, Lavington, Westlands and Parklands. So if you would want some units in those areas, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. If you were to ask me, this is one of the blocks that have been done very well in Kilimani, and it contains units starting from 2-bedroom all the way to 5 bedrooms. The 2 bedrooms are starting from 96 square meters, the 3 bedrooms are starting from 201 square meters, the 4 bedrooms are starting from 230 square meters, and a 5 bedroom like this is starting from 302 square meters. What I like is that you are getting a mini bar on this side, and I love it that you have a dollhouse on top. It is big enough to fit you and your partner, and from here you'll enjoy a very good champagne celebrating your success. After we have seen this 5 bedroom, I'll take you to the 2 bedroom, and you'll have an idea of how a starter pack in this development looks like. By this time, I know some of you are already asking, Mr. Mungai, is this house coming furnished? Of course not. But what we can do, we can give you, or we can link you to one of our interior designers to give you something similar to this. If you have not gotten the memo, the price of this unit is 33.5 million Kenya shillings. And from there, you can agree with me that this is worth. But it is not worth until I show you everything. I'll take you through the 5 bedrooms that we have in this unit, the kitchen, the employee quarters, and you will tell me which unit you would want to invest in. From there, you can see that the living room has been done very well. I like the size of it, and I like it that it is coming with a space big enough to fit a 9-seater couch like this one. The lighting has been done spectacularly well. I like the minimalism of the gypsum ceilings, and the downlighters are magnifying the look that you are getting from this living room. This is the TV area, or the focal point of this unit, and this is where most members of your family will be concentrating on when you are trying to have a conversation with them. It has been done very well. I like the modification, and I like it that the developer has made this space look very beautiful and very, very attractive. The 5-bedroom units comes with rounded corners. I like the finishing that you are getting in each bedroom, and this developer is very, very serious when he is asking for that money, because he knows he has delivered conclusively. Each unit comes with automated curtains, and you have an option of either having a balcony or having a complete flowing unit from the living room to this other space that can be used for any other activities. For the few of you who will not like to have a balcony, you'll have a massive window from that corner all the way to that other edge. I like it that you have a small resting area, and you can have somewhere where you can read your book or enjoy any other activities in this living room. From here, I'm going to show you the dining space, and later we will see the kitchen of this unit. The dining area is an extension from the living room, and I like it that it is big enough to fit a 6-seater dining set like this one. The space is big enough to fit a bigger dining area, and I like it that the dining area is opening to the kitchen. You are also getting a 2-seater breakfast table, and on the other side you are getting a gramophone that is amplifying the look of this dining space. The dining area has been separated from the entrance road by this glass modification, and on top of that, it is also improving the beauty of this space. From here, we will see the kitchen and also the employee quarters. This kitchen is one of the most beautiful kitchens that we have seen in Kilimani. It has been done very well, and the highlight of this kitchen is the island that you are getting at the center. Whoever designed this kitchen was very, very intelligent because they knew where to fix every fixture in this kitchen. One thing that is crazy is that this interior developer even provided coffee in this kitchen, and it smells heavenly. On my left hand side, you have your cooktop. It is a 4-burner, and on top of it, you have a smart heat extractor. On my far front, where you have the window, you have a massive sink for all your cleaning activities, and on my far front, you have your kitchen appliances section. On this section, you have a space big enough to fit a double door like this, a space for your oven, and a microwave. These ones come standard, and next to me you have the pantry of this kitchen. In addition to the space that you have in the kitchen, having a small pantry is very important because this is where you can keep all your dry foods and maybe keep some of your extra supplies before you prepare them to be kept in the refrigerator. That door is taking you to the balcony, the kitchen balcony that is, and that's where you have the laundry area, and you also have an access to the employee quarters. This is where you have your laundry area. You have another sink just to make sure that you can easily clean the small garments that do not need to be washed in the washer and dryer, and you have a space here that is big enough for an industrial washer and dryer. You have some compartments here where you can keep your soaps and other detergents, and this is the door to the employee quarters. The employee quarters is one ensuite bedroom, and it comes with a space big enough to fit a 4x6 bed like this one. You have a mini closet, and the employee bathroom is here. It is standard, coming with a washroom and a bathroom. For those who have a low concentration, you have not seen anything in this development. This unit looks spectacular in the bedrooms. Wait until you see all that. But I know some of you are already saying, Mungai Kihara, I'm really tired, I need to go to bed. Before you do that, and if you would want to see the shorter version of this, make sure you check our TikTok or our Instagram. We have uploaded a smaller video to this one. Along this hallway, you have the access to the first, the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth bedrooms. And this is the common washroom. The common washroom has been done very well. It comes with a WC, and you have a wash basin at the center. Right now, I'm welcoming you to the first bedroom, which can instead be used as a study or an office. From there, you can agree with me that this space has been done very well. The room is already big to act as a bedroom, and it would fit one big bed or two small beds. On this space, you have a beautiful modification just to improve the aesthetics of the office, and this is where your closet would be if this is a bedroom. On this other side, you can see that you have your office space. It has been done very well. You have shelves behind you just to make sure that you have enough space to keep all your magazines or any other document. This seat is very, very comfortable, and you have a table that is big enough for all your activities. I'm also getting a lens to look at the people who keep watching and never like or comment. This bedroom also comes with its bathroom on this side, and this bathroom is adapting a similar concept to all the other bathrooms that I'll show you in the rest of the bedrooms. Let's continue. Officially, this is the first bedroom, and it has been done to target the small kids. It has been given an astronaut theme, and at the center here you can see that we have the surface of the moon. If you check this bedroom very well, you'll see that theme. You'll see all the gadgets that are related to astronauts, and if you have children in this bedroom, I'm very sure they'll be very happy if they become scientists or something close to that. In the assumption that is not enough, you have a star lighting that comes with a galaxy. At the center here, you can see that we have some of the galaxies that you can witness in the sky at night. And on my far front, you have a massive window that runs from this edge all the way to the other edge. If you have noticed, you can see that there are some meteorites, I don't know if they are comets or whatever, that are running in that ceiling. This developer is crazy. The bathroom to this bedroom is on my far front. Let's discuss what is included in these bathrooms. You have a vanity, you have a WC at the center, a shower cubicle is on my far right, and one thing that is very, very important, and it has been done in all bathrooms of this development, is that you are getting a handheld and a rain shower. If you understand what quality is, I bet you would want to touch these towels. They are so soft, I am willing to spend 5,000 for each of them. For budget-friendly homes, most developers tend to do a squeeze on the hallway. This developer has given you a 1.25 meter hallway just to make sure that it is very easy for you and your family members to crisscross through this space. This is the third bedroom. It is targeting one of the bigger kids. It has been done very well. I don't understand the theme, but what I understand is that the finishing has been done very well. The closet is floor to ceiling, very well partitioned. You have some drawers down there and enough spaces for all your clothes. You are also getting 2 side drawers just to make sure that you have enough spaces for all your gadgets and any other activities. If you have an exotic taste and you understand art, you know that this is a gem. But if you understand pictures and photos, let's meet on Instagram. This bathroom has been oriented differently. It comes with all the fixtures that we saw in the other bathroom, and the only thing that you can notice is that this bathroom is slightly bigger than the one that we just saw. By now, I am extremely tempted to show you the primary bedroom, but we'll need to warm up in the 4th bedroom because this primary bedroom is extremely beautiful. Just have a peep of how the walk-in closet looks like. Behind me, you have a decoration fixture that is improving the busyness of this hallway, and from the living room area all through this balcony, this thing is really beautiful and really making this space very homely. The bathroom to the 4th bedroom is just a replica to what we saw in the 3rd bedroom. It is exactly the same in all aspects. The difference between those 2 bedrooms is seen very well in this space, and this is where you have the 4th bedroom sleeping area, and as you can see, it is a big space to fit a 6x6 bed. You have a bigger closet and it is floor to ceiling as usual. You have a massive window on my far front just to make sure that you are getting enough natural light. This light fixture is giving you enough light during the night, and as I mentioned earlier, all these curtains are automated. Interesting. From the 4th bedroom, right now we are in the 5th bedroom, and you are welcomed from the entrance by this walk-in closet. What I love about it is this center console that is big enough for all your jewelries and any other accessories. This is a space where you can easily keep your Rolexes and your imported jewelry, and if that is not enough, you have some compartments and some shelves that can be used to access all those accessories. Very, very interesting. Behind me, you have the closet area of this walk-in closet, and the space is big enough for you and your partner. The spaces have been partitioned very well, and you have some extra storage up there just in case you have an endless appetite of shopping. Before we get into the bathroom, you have a massive mirror that is giving you a full view of how you look. Very, very interesting. The bathroom comes with a double vanity and it is big enough for you and your partner. You have another mirror here and it is heated and cooled because that one is in the bathroom. Behind me you have a massive bathtub and on my far front you have a shower cubicle that is big enough for two. This bathroom comes with all the fixtures that you may require. What I don't understand is why you have a socket on that side and we already have an extra socket here which can be used for all your bathroom activities. So if you have any idea why we have that there, make sure you comment down here. Right now, we are at the main sleeping area of this bedroom. And from there, you can agree with me that this bedroom is massive. It has been done very well. You have enough space for you and your partner. You are getting 2 drawers to make sure that you have enough storage for your bedroom gadgets. And one thing that is very important about this bedroom is that the lighting has been controlled just to make sure that the mood in this bedroom has been kept to the optimum. At the center, you have a center light. It is not the brightest, but if you would want some extra sources of lighting, you have another light that is coming from this side of the bedroom where you have your dresser. The dresser has been done very well. It is big enough for you and your partner, and you have an example of what you should be having as one of the jewelries when you purchase such a unit. Very beautiful masterpiece. On my far front, what you are getting is an accessories closet where you can keep all your imported designer, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Fendi, any type of luxury jewelry should be kept in this space. And as you can see, it has been done very well. What I love about it is that you have some subsection on this side where you should keep your bespoke Italian fragrances. In the assumption that all that fineness does not convince you to purchase this unit, you are getting a massive balcony. What I like is that the balcony is big enough to fit a 2-seater sitting area where you and your partner can sit down, admire each other, and be glad to the small achievements that you have already achieved. As I am already very sure that some of you are saying, Mungai Kihara, that is a small balcony. Now you can see the full extensiveness of this space. If you have gotten to this point, you can agree with me that this unit has been done very well. If you would want to purchase it or any other units in this development, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. In the meantime, we'll give a small tour of the 2-bedroom units so that you can just get an idea of what you are getting in this development. That's all for now. Keep watching that and never stop watching. Bye bye.